Okay, I have been asked to give a guitar tutorial on how to play "The Man Who Sold the World" by David Bowie, and later covered by Nirvana. So, what we start off with is everybody remembers that opening riff that sounds like this. Now, that's very simply played with the second fret of the third string, and you go, and then opening, then and then you hammer on with the third. Some people play it with a bend, like you can do it either way, but nonetheless, the notes are A, G, A, B flat, A. So that's how you play that opening part. Then in the lower part of the screen that you have there, you'll see that there are the maps of the chords and how you would play them. The main chords in this are A7, D minor, F major, C major, and B flat major. And the voicing of B flat, I don't play it like 1, 2, 3, 4. I do more like I just do 1, 3, 3, 3, 1. But for a beginning player, that might be a little hard, but that's the breaks. Okay. So anyway, the way that the song kind of starts off is while that riff is playing, there's the A7 in the background. So it's like and then that's mapped out in the tablature that's been provided there. So it starts off, we passed upon the stair, spoke of was and when, although I wasn't there. He said I was his friend, which came as a surprise. I spoke into his eyes, I thought you died alone. And I have to scroll down for the tablature. A long, long time ago. And then that is when the part of the song starts with the like, oh no, not me. But they do that ascension. The notes that are played when they ascend go C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So it literally so that literally is like third fret of the fifth string, then open on the D, then second fret on D, and then the third fret on D, then the open of the G, then the second fret of G, and then the open B note, and then the C. So it goes. And then the chorus actually begins, oh no, not me. We never lost control. Your face to face. Oops, sorry, played the wrong chord. Face with the man who sold the world. And then it goes back into that A7 chord or that A chord, depending on how you do it. But basically, that is how you play the beginning of David Bowie's The Man Who Sold the World.